Need to transfer crypto to your Mexc account. Here's how to deposit step by step. So once you're logged in, head over to the wallet, and if you're using the web, hover over to wallet at the top and click on spot. And this is the interface, and then click deposit. This is the spot and this is a deposit. Alright, and then search for the token you want to receive. For this demo, let's use Mx token. Let's search for Mx and you'll see the Mx token here on the from the list. Choose this one. Now choose the correct network, and always make sure the selected network matches the one you will be using when sending the funds. Now click the drop down and select ERC20. Then after that, click generate address. This will give you your unique Mexc wallet address. Copy this one and you will need it in your withdrawal wallet. Now go to other wallet, MetaMask for example. In this case, paste your Mexc address into the withdrawal section and select the same network ERC20. So then enter the amount of MX token you want to send, then click send, review and everything, and then hit send everything and then hit send, and that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your funds will appear in your Mexc account under the spot wallet. And you can use this method for any supported tokens. Just always double check the network before hitting send.